Make sentences using the word uh, bad. Bad has different meanings. Let me show you the sentences so that you can understand. The milk smells bad. Here, bad means not fresh, right? The milk smells bad, not good actually. The weather is bad. That is, weather is not good. Bad means rainy or stormy. I have a bad dream. The food tastes bad. Lying is bad. My toy broke and I feel bad. The dog is sick and I looks bad. Bad means here not well or unhealthy. Throwing garbage is bad. My shoes smell bad. Here bad means unpleasant. The cake is too salty and bad. Here bad means not tasty. It is bad to fight with friends. Bad means not kind or wrong. Eating too many sweets is bad. Here bad means not healthy. A broken chair is bad to sit on. Bad means unsafe or uncomfortable. The cat had a bad fall. Bad means painful or harmful. Not doing homework is bad. Bad means not responsible. The soup is too spicy and bad. It is bad to hurt animals. The dog had a bad dream. I got a bad grade in my test. Here bad means slow or not good. The road is wet, so it is a bad day to play. That means not good for playing. This fish smells bad, so I won't eat it. Bad means spoiled or not fresh. It is bad to cheat in exams. My little brother feels bad because he is sick. Watching too much TV is bad for the eyes. Running inside the house is a bad idea. The traffic was bad, so we got late. I felt bad for breaking my sister's toys. Here bad means guilty or sorry. The book looks bad because it is torn. Here bad means damaged or ugly. It is bad to make fun of others. Bad means unkind or mean. My handwriting is bad when I rush. Bad means unclear or messy. Smoking is bad for health. Bad means harmful or dangerous. I had a bad headache after playing in the sun. Bad means painful or strong. The sky looks dark, which means bad weather. Bad means stormy or rainy. Eating too much junk food is bad for the stomach. Bad means unhealthy. Forgetting to say thank you is bad manners. Bad means rude or impolite. The football team lost and they felt bad. Throwing plastic in water is bad for nature. Bad means harmful or polluting. A bad storm can damage houses, means dangerous or strong. Talking loudly in class is bad behavior. Bad means impolite or disruptive. A bad smell comes from the garbage bin. The car had a bad tire. Bad means damaged or not working. A bad student does not listen to the teacher. Bad means naughty or careless. The juice tastes bad because it is old. Bad means spoiled or sour. It is bad to leave food on the plate. Bad means wasteful or careless. I saw a bad accident on the road. Bad means serious or dangerous. Eating too fast is bad for health. Bad means not healthy. A bad person does not help others. Bad means unkind or selfish. The rain made the roads bad. Bad means slippery or muddy. Waking up late is a bad habit. Bad means not good or lazy. The movie was too scary and I had a bad feeling. Bad means worried or scared.